Hello students, last time we studied about the journey of the water cycle, and also told you about what have you learned and more to know and the word power. Today we are going to solve the worksheet 13. So open page number 73. Worksheet 13 and unit page number 73. So now fill in the blanks. A, fill in the blanks. So first one, air is the mixture of several gases. First one, air is the mixture of several, and what do you have to fill here? Gases. Gases. Now second, polluted. Second one is polluted air. Second, polluted air is polluted air is bad for health. And third, water in its natural state, water in its natural state is is in the liquid form. Is in the liquid form. And fourth, water changes its form. Water changes its form due to due to change in temperature. Due to change in temperature. Now next one, fifth, we use the same we use the same water again and again. Same water again and again through water cycle. Water cycle. So these are the fill in the blanks. These are the fill in the blanks. So first you see air is the mixture of several gases. Second, polluted air is bad for health. Third, water in its natural state is in the liquid form. And fourth, water changes its form due to change in temperature and effect. We use this same water again and again through water cycle. Now next you see, pick the right answer. Now second, pick the right answer. Now B. Tick the right answer. So first, the life gives gas in the air is. So first, the life gives gas in the air is first oxygen. First one, so three options are given here: air, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. So oxygen will be correct answer. Now second, you see, when we breathe air through the nose, it is called. Three options are given: evaporation, respiration, and the condensation. So evaporation is the conversion of water into the water vapors is called evaporation, while condensation is the conversion of water vapors into the liquid. It is called condensation. But in case of the respiration, the exchange of gases takes place and the energy is the released. So here respiration is the correct answer. So second will be respiration. Second will be of the respiration. Now third you see, gaseous form of water is steam, air and the ice. So correct answer will be steam. Steam is the correct answer. Air is a mixture of the gases. The ice is the solid form of the water, but steam is the gaseous form of the water. If we condense the steam, we can get the water. Steam cools down and changes into water vapor, water and the ice. So correct answer will be water. Fourth. Now fifth you see, in the sky water vapors form. Rain, clouds and the snow. Three options are given: water vapors, condense to form the clouds, and from the clouds it comes on the earth in the form of the water drops, so called as the rain. So here fifth clouds will be correct answer. Clouds is the correct answer. Now C, write T for true and F for false. Now see next C. I think you have written. Now we have to write next, that is C. C. Write T for true and F for false. F for false. So now see the first. We breathe in air